Will using expired cake mix affect the taste or texture of the cake?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a common dilemma that pops up in our kitchens, specifically in relation to baking. The question we're tackling today is, will using expired cake mix affect the taste or texture of the cake? Let's delve right in.
What does expired mean for cake mix?
First off, let's clarify what we mean by expired cake mix. Typically, an expiration date on food packages indicates the manufacturer's estimate for when the product will no longer be at peak quality. For cake mix, this is generally about a year or two after the production date. However, just because the expiration date has passed doesn't necessarily mean the product is harmful, but the quality might start to degrade.
Impact on taste.
When it comes to taste, an expired cake mix might lose some of its flavor over time. This is due to the fact that the oils present in the mix may become rancid, leading to an off-putting taste. The more time has passed since the expiration date, the greater the chance of having a less than ideal flavor in your cake.
Impact on texture.
The texture of your cake can also be affected by using expired cake mix. Over time, leavening agents such as baking powder lose their effectiveness. This means that if you're using an old cake mix, your cake may not rise as it should. Consequently, you may end up with a cake that is dense and hard, instead of light and fluffy.
Health considerations.
There are also health implications to consider. Expired cake mixes, especially if they contain fats, can become rancid, which is not healthy to consume. In some rare cases, certain types of mold may develop in the cake mix. Therefore, it's always advisable to check the physical appearance and smell of the mix before using it. In conclusion, while using an expired cake mix isn't immediately harmful, it can certainly impact the quality of your cake in terms of taste, texture, and in rare cases, even health safety. So for the best baking results, always try to use fresh ingredients. We hope this video has shed some light on your baking queries. Until next time, happy baking!